We spend hours making our workspace more comfortable. But what about our back? This is RoboRoll, a different way to relax with rolling motion. Just place it behind your back. Press once, then simply lean back. Simple enough to share, easy enough to use every day. Everyone feels discomfort differently. So RoboRoll lets you choose what works. Use built-in programs. Save your favorite spots. Or create your own rolling routine. The same rolling motion can also be used after everyday activities or workouts. At work, at home, ready whenever you are. Designed to move differently. Designed for everyday life. RoboRoll, now live on Kickstarter.